G'day pasta lovers. Today we're making a weeknight classic, pesto chicken pasta. But I'm going to show you how to build some serious flavour so it's not just a boring mix-in job. This is the restaurant quality version. Let's get to it. First up, get your pasta into a large pot of salted water. Cook it according to the packet and make sure to reserve some of that cooked pasta water. I've also got my cherry tomatoes in a tray and I'm popping them into a 200 degrees Celsius oven to roast and get all sweet and jammy. Give your brown onion a rough chop. And finally, cut your chicken into bite-sized chunks, removing any excess fat and skin. Now for the flavour. In a large hot pan, add some of the beautiful confit garlic oil and a few of the soft confit garlic cloves. In goes our brown onion and our chicken thigh. I prefer thigh over breast here, so much more flavour and it stays juicy. We're going to let this cook, stirring occasionally. Season it in the pan with salt and pepper. We want to get some really nice golden brown colour on this chicken and let the onions go translucent. See all those brown bits on the bottom? That's not burnt, that's called fond, and it's pure flavour. To get all that flavour, we'll deglaze with a splash of chicken stock or white wine. Scrape the bottom of the pan to lift up all those tasty bits, and then let that liquid reduce by about half. This is the most important step. Turn the heat right down to low. Heat is the enemy of fresh pesto. Add a good generous amount of our homemade pesto and stir it through to coat the onions and chicken. Once our pasta is done, add it straight to the pan. Now in goes a big handful of fresh baby spinach. Give it a toss. And now the secret to a creamy sauce with no cream, our reserved pasta water. Add a splash at a time and toss it all together. The starch in the water will emulsify with the pesto and create a beautiful luscious sauce that clings to the pasta. Finally, add those gorgeous roasted tomatoes, and because I like it strong, I'm adding one more spoonful of pesto. Give it a final toss and check your seasoning. And there you have it, a fast but incredibly flavourful pesto chicken pasta. Serve it up with plenty of fresh Parmesan. How good does that look? Enjoy.